we go again. Actually, we're here outside the Rosebud Plaza. I am a little bit excited for how many days that I've been waiting for this one. A little bit excited. Ewan ko, tumukha na naman ang pagka-materialistic ni JOELLA. I can't really hold my tight. I can't really hold my tight ass. I was really tempted to buy another phone. Oh my god, this is it. I bought it outright because my partner, he doesn't want me to have a plan phone, which is you're paying top dollars from the price of the phone. So with the the gigabytes that you're paying. So the phone that I'm using is also I bought outright. So it's unlocked phone, and I've been trying to convince my partner na mag-ano na lang ako mag-plan, kasi di ba halimbawa $90 a month or 95 or 100 compared na i-cash talaga siya. So at saka malaking away pag kasi hindi siya sunurin. So sabi okay. So here we go. I bought the phone outright from Vodafone. It's unlocked, and luckily they have the stocks that I really like. This is good for vlogging because I bought that one because of the camera of the phone. It's 100 times powerful in the zoom. Look at it, what I bought. It's Samsung S20 Ultra Z. Wow. Okay. We have to unbox this one when I'll get home. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm glad. Okay, this means trabaho. This means another hard work now in order to pay the cash that I have. Cash out, cash in. Because now, very particular yung partner ko. Anyway, I have to drive another more than 10 minutes going home. And here we go. Okay, another. Here we go. So go. I'm so excited in unboxing my someone is laughing behind me. I'm excited in unboxing my new phone. Yay! Can you cheer me? Is at the back cheering at me. Yeah, actually, I bought this from this store. Bought a phone. Okay, this really have the plan phone, but okay, good that they have an outright phone. So when you say outright, you have to buy it. Okay, immediately, straight away. Not immediately, straight away you have to buy the phone without like installment, because when you pay at installment, of course there's an interest, at saka malaking away at malaking what is that, arguments pag gusto ko sana mag-apply ng plan, kaso yung isa dyan, kontrabido, ayaw. So, kaya bilihin. Okay, magasta. Kasi I can't control myself. I don't know. Okay, nagtukar na naman ang aking pag-materialistic charot. Okay, but anyway, I really love Samsung phones. I usually have my iPhone, but I just fall in love with the Samsung Galaxy series. Okay, so this is it. Okay, that was something like that was checked on the store, so hindi na siya naka-sealed. So second unboxing na to. So here we go. Samahan niyo si Mamang. Okay, and we will adjust the phone. Okay, ganito natin siya. Di ba? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Can you cheer it? Get in your phone. Okay. First, okay, bago mo ng phone. Ano muna natin? Ito. Ano bang nandito? Of course. Okay, we have the... What is it? Oh, come on. Come on. Of course, we have that one. We have that one. With that one. With a K. With a U. And the manual. Study quick guide. We have that one. What is that? Warranty card. Okay. Kasali and surprise. And ito yung gusto ko. Simple lang. Actually, nagbigay sila sa akin ng freebie na na casing, but I like this one. Okay, that's really fun. It's very simple to gel, but I love that one rather than this one. So ito pala yung binigay nila. This is the previous that they gave it to me. The casing, not bad. Kung bibilihin mo naman ito siguro is also expensive. Okay, binigyan nila ako ng ganito. So here we go with the phone. Casino phone, eh? Magpapapa-China all na lang tayo nito. Okay, bago mo na ang phone. Okay, of course, kasali ito sa price. Pero siguro the same pa ang charger, of course, charger. Okay, charger. Parang the same pa ang AirPod niya. The same pa sa the same pa sa Samsung series. Bili na lang tayo ng the same pa siya. So I won't be using this one so that pag masira yung kasi yung ginagamit kong phone, that is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So that's still new. It's not even a year. Like I bought November, December, January, February, March, April, May. Hala, 6 months pa. Okay. And the charger, the wire. So here we go with the phone. Paano ba ito? Paano siya yun? Ooh! Okay, that's the first on. Okay. Welcome. Okay. This is the first one. With regards to the phone, look at the phone. Look at the camera. The reason why I bought this one is it's also for vlogging. Like it has powerful camera. It's 100 times. Let's go. Okay. And it's already set. Okay. So it's already set. It's a long process, but once you have your old Samsung phone, and then you just follow and something like it will sync. So ito na, welcome. Kung anong nandyan sa isang phone ko, nandito na rin sa bagong phone ko. Diba? Is it amazing? Parang lang siya, connected lang siya. Do I have Facebook here? No, I need to. Ang camera. The camera is, there is already YT music, YouTube music. It's downloading. No thanks. Good to know. Later. So iba yung YT music sa YT talaga. Yes, that's amazing. Isn't that amazing? Black ang niya. Ayan. So I need to download Facebook or whatever. Where's the camera? The camera is there. So, sabi nila nice daw ang camera niya. It's 100 times ang ma-zoom niya. So it's good for vlogging. So look at that. How many cameras? Okay, one. How many lenses? 1, 2, 3, 4. One up. It says 100 times. Kung makita niya. It says 100 times. 100. Space zoom is 100 times. Look. Oh gee. Oh gee. Weather. It's nice. Mag-explore pa muna ako. Gallery. Location info. Bigay muna. Sana hindi siya mag-sync yung lahat na Samsung Notes access. Allow. Sync siya sa phone ko doon. Okay. So, okay. Anyway, ayun, masaya tayo of having another new phone. Okay, this is good for like vlogging kasi maganda yung camera, ang quality ng camera. Kung maganda man ito, I reckon this is good. This is better than. At saka hindi siya masyadong malaki. It's not too big. Okay, as big as the 10. Parang medyo ano siya. Okay, talagang inaano nila naman kasya sa kamay mo. Diba? It's really good. I would love this one. Maganda na siya, oh. Iba rin ang ano niya. Take me to my channel. Ayan. JOELLA finished setting you up. Security alert. So mag-ano pa naman ako ng mga apps. Hindi siya nag-sync. Hindi niya sync yung ano. So happy and glad. Okay. Unboxing lang ito. Mag-review pa. Iba siguro yung review, no? Okay. Ganun lang. Okay. Pag okay, minsan kailangan nating ipon. Okay, but sometimes matempt tayo, no? But it's not good. It's not good. Okay, okay lang matempt kung merong budget. Pag wala, wag muna, no? But anyway, thanks for watching. If you you feel my something like satisfaction, happiness, you know, so this unboxing somehow would inspire you guys na magsipag, diba, as a blogger. We are already blogger. We are already there, especially those who are monetized. And if you're not monetized yet, this is a sort of an inspiration for us to work harder and harder. No? Okay, it's not all about only doing always live streaming, but we also need to make a raw blog. Okay? Kasi doon tayo mas kumikita. But anyway, thanks pala sa mga, of course, mga avid super chatter natin dyan. Malaki din ang tulong. At kung hindi pa kayo nakapa-member sa aking channel, it's so very affordable. Please don't forget to subscribe. JOELLA of Australia na nagsasabing, be good, be kind, be humble, and be beautiful. Sa next vlog ko, i-review ko na ito. Diba? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Can you tell them, subscribe my channel? Hello? Can you tell them, Please subscribe JOELLA in his YouTube.
Subscribe to JOELLA
In my YouTube, in his YouTube
into
channel.
YouTube and hurry up.
Thank you. What will you do if they will not subscribe me?
His phone will be repossessed.
Thanks for watching. Nagsasabing, be good, be kind, be humble, and be beautiful. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, pindutin mo na ang manok na pula at i-bell mo na ako. Salamat. Love you.